So guys, I'm eating strawberries right now. I wanna give you some because you're my fans and subscribers. If you want a strawberry, then subscribe. Here. I'm so sorry, it's so dark right now. We're in a tunnel. Light, yay! I'm obsessed with strawberries right now because they're just too good.
Kwarto ni ate yun eh.
Ne? Wala!
You're joking. That I'm dying right now.
Saan dito? One lang?
I just wanted to do a transition. Hold on. Guys, look at that! Yo!
Masarap! Masarap!
Hold on, the trees are blocking it.
Depende yun sa ano talaga.
No, the trees blocked it.
Ano pangalan ng sasama-sama?
That was not.
Pero yun nga, buti nga, in-explain ko yun na yun lang kayang gawin. Akala ko sa sugal. So, total, yung panalo. Which is kasalang itin.
Lalo na
I'm lightheaded. I'm lightheaded. Oh gosh. I'm so cold. I'm turning into old me. This is so cringe, so cringe, so cringe, so cringe. I just watched that and now I'm crying because that was so. I'm just kidding.
yung mga isa-isa mga ganun.
Why am I so cringe? Anyways. What was that? I am terrified.
你我的영혼이다가와민나이가뭐와인주관이다와민나이노 이가와영다마민다마민다 띠띠리.
Also, the video is about to end, so BYE. Bye. That spells